Hey everyone! In this video, we're revealing the best underwater drones for fishing in 2026 that you can buy right now, from powerful fish-finding ROVs to versatile underwater explorers. All product links are in the description, so check them out before you shop. Starting at number 1. Canfish CF1. The Canfish CF1 underwater fishing camera is a portable underwater video fish finder and observation tool that helps anglers see beneath the water's surface in real time. It captures 1080p Full HD video with a wide-angle lens and a high-sensitivity Sony sensor for clear underwater visuals, even in low light, and connects to your smartphone via an app for remote control and live viewing. Designed for durability with a long cable and extended battery life, the CF1 lets you monitor fish activity, water temperature, and depth, making it useful for ice fishing, lake, or sea fishing adventures. Anglers can use the real-time footage to better understand underwater conditions and enhance their fishing strategy. Number 2. Dory Explore. The Dory Explore underwater drone is a compact and innovative device designed for treasure hunting, photography, and videography beneath the water's surface. It allows users to explore underwater environments with ease using Bluetooth remote control, capturing clear images and videos while navigating through lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. Equipped with a built-in metal detector, it can help locate hidden objects such as coins or small treasures, while the included net bag makes it easy to collect findings during your exploration. Its lightweight and portable design makes it simple to deploy and operate, offering an exciting way to experience underwater adventure and discover the hidden secrets of the ocean. Number 3. FD3 Fishing Drone. The FD3 Fishing Drone with 4K camera is an advanced drone designed to enhance fishing by allowing users to cast bait to long distances with precision. It features a powerful 4.4 pounds payload capacity, enabling it to carry and drop fishing bait accurately into hard-to-reach spots, while its 1.3 kilometers casting range provides extended reach over water. Equipped with a 4K camera, it allows for real-time viewing and capturing of aerial footage, helping anglers locate fish and assess water conditions. The drone includes smart functions like auto drop for releasing bait and return to home for safe retrieval, along with IP67 waterproofing to withstand harsh fishing environments. Its sturdy design and intelligent controls make it a reliable tool for both professional and recreational anglers seeking a high-tech fishing experience. Number 4. Fifish Kaisia V6. The Fifish Kaisia V6 Expert M100A underwater drone is a professional-grade remotely operated vehicle, ROV, built for serious underwater exploration, inspection, and creative filming. It features a high-resolution 4K camera and an integrated robotic arm that allows you to interact with objects beneath the surface, making it suitable for research, salvage, and detailed marine observation. Designed to dive up to around 330 feet, 100 meters, it offers omnidirectional movement and advanced AI vision lock technology for stable, smooth footage even in challenging underwater environments. With up to 6 hours of working time, a rugged portable design, and compatibility with real-time viewing and recording, the V6 Expert M100A delivers versatile performance for capturing high-quality underwater video and exploring aquatic environments with precision and control. Number 5. Garmin Pilot. The Garmin Pilot, Comp, Reactor 40, with pump, node DISP is a compact marine autopilot system designed to automatically steer your boat and reduce the need for constant manual steering. It includes the Reactor 40 course computer and hydraulic pump to work with hydraulically steered vessels under about 30 feet, helping maintain heading and course while minimizing rudder movement and power use, which makes long trips more comfortable and less tiring for the skipper. The Reactor 40 uses a solid-state 9-axis sensor for precise heading data and flexible installation, and it can integrate with compatible Garmin chart plotters and controls. A display unit isn't included in this version. This system provides smoother, more reliable autopilot performance on the water, though you'll need a separate control/display unit to operate it directly. That's a wrap on the best underwater fishing drones for 2026. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tech and gear reviews. Don't forget, all product links are in the description below to make your purchase easy.